नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका अपना दोस्त डॉक्टर अंशुल महाजन, कंसल्टेंट साइकाट्रिस्ट, मानस हॉस्पिटल लुधियाने से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। हेलो एवरीवन। दर्शकों, आज मैं आप सबको अक्यूट स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर के बारे में जानकारी देना चाहूंगा। देखिए, इन अ वीक आफ्टर अ ट्रॉमेटिक इवेंट पर्सन में एक्सपीरियंस एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर या घबराहट के लक्षण महसूस कर सकता है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं अक्यूट स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर। Acute stress disorder occur within 1 month of a traumatic event, and it can last up to 3 days and persist up to 1 month. So what are the causes of acute stress disorder? A traumatic event can cause acute stress disorder. What are kind of traumatic events which can lead to acute stress disorder? These are death of near and dear ones, threat of death to oneself or the others, any kind of threat of serious injury to oneself or the others, and lastly threat to the physical integrity of oneself or the others. These are the basic causes of acute stress disorder. Who are at the risk of stress disorder, acute stress disorder? There are certain factors which increases the risk for acute stress disorder. If a person has experienced or witnessed or being confronted with a traumatic event in the past, he is at the risk of acute stress disorder. Any history of acute stress disorder or post-traumatic stress disorder increases the risk. Any history of certain kind of mental disorders or any kind of history of dissociative symptom during a traumatic event increases the risk of acute stress disorder. So what are the symptoms of acute stress disorder? First of all, there can be dissociative symptoms. As the name suggests, there can be feeling of numbness. Person can feel detached, or he may feel emotionally unresponsive. He has a reduced awareness of his or her surroundings. There is derealization, that is, which occurs when your environment seems to be strange or unreal to you. There can be dissociative amnesia. Dissociative amnesia means when you cannot remember one or the important aspect of the traumatic event. And other things are re-experiencing traumatic events in the form of recurring images, or it can be recurring thoughts, और जिन लोग कहते हैं कि मुझे डरावने सपने आते हैं जिसको हम बोलते हैं nightmares, or it can be flashback episodes of the traumatic event, and the feeling of distress, यानी कि discomfort सी feeling आती है जब वो traumatic events को बार बार इंसान याद करता है. So avoidance होता है, person start avoiding stimuli that cause that cause anxiety, that cause depression, and that cause discomfort. He can avoid people, he avoid conversation, he avoid going to places, he avoid objects, certain activities, he avoid certain feelings. So what are the symptoms? Besides this, the symptom besides this can be include anxiety symptoms can be there. There can be increased arousal, trouble sleeping, he becomes irritable, difficulty in concentrating, unable to stop moving, he can sit still. He can become constantly tense, and he becomes constantly startled too easily or at inappropriate times. So distress is the most important feeling which a person gets after acute stress reaction. The symptom of acute stress reaction may cause distress, or it may disrupt the important activity, daily activity disrupt कर सकता है, like social working खराब कर सकता है, work setting खराब कर सकता है. Person, you may have inability to start or complete necessary task, or inability to tell others about the traumatic event. So how it is treated? Yes, the acute stress disorder is treated. Good news is that it is treated, and at right time and right moment. So first of all, a person will come to you, will take a proper psychiatric evaluation to determine your specific needs. In case person is at risk of suicide or harming others, we will require hospitalization and psychiatric education to teach about the patient about it, that it is a disorder and it needs treatment. So there are certain medications like anti-anxiety medications, anti-depressant medications which can prevent depression, which can prevent anti-anxiety. And besides the medication part, we have psychotherapy part like cognitive behavior therapy, or it can be hypnotherapy, which prevent ASD, and person can be fine. तो दर्शकों, ये था मेरा वीडियो रिगार्डिंग अक्यूट स्ट्रेस रिएक्शन, अक्यूट स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर। तो यदि आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप इसको लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलेगा। थैंक यू सो मच। मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर अंशुल महाजन, कंसल्टेंट साइकियाट्रिस्ट, मानस हॉस्पिटल। मेरा नंबर है 9872030811। थैंक यू।